Hi everyone, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. By now, we must have seen lot of cake recipes, lot of cake decoration videos and other informative videos on my channel. And I want to take this opportunity to thank each one of you for making the best use of these videos. Whatever images you have sent me, I must say the images look really beautiful and thank you so much. It really motivates me to produce more and more content which helps my viewers. So thank you so much. Coming to today's videos, by looking at these beautiful boxes, you must have guessed what we are going to talk about. And yes, you have guessed it right. We are going to talk about Raksha Bandhan festival, which is the upcoming festival. What can I say about this festival? It is a festival to celebrate that special bond between a brother and a sister. And to make it even more special, we will be using these cute boxes and hampers for making that festival really awesome. And just imagine the look on your sister's face or brother's face when they receive these handmade customized gift on that special day. So let's get started with the recipe. But before going to the recipe, let me show you the molds that I will be using for making these chocolates. You can see all these beautiful molds that I have received from Ice Chocolate Hub. These molds are available on their website. You can buy that. The link is given in the description box, and they have some really cool stuff available on their website. For making these yummy chocolates, I'll be using dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, some dry fruits and some essences, and the link of all these things is again given in the description box. So please buy before everything gets stocked out. So let's get started with the recipe. Our first recipe is making the edible Rakhi. So we are going to use this particular mold for making our chocolate Rakhis. I'm going to use this white chocolate. I'm going to make 3 different flavors using chocolate. So basically I'll be using white chocolate, I'll be using milk chocolate and I'll be using dark chocolate for making these chocolate Rakhis. So just melt the chocolate in microwave or on double boiler, and what you do is fill each the cavity using chocolates. Now I will also use some milk chocolate. Just tap it nicely so that if there are any air bubbles, you can see those air bubbles coming out on top. You can see all these small air bubbles coming out. And let us finish this mold by using some of the dark chocolate. And that's it. Now set it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and then we will unmold these chocolates. Now we are going to make these rasmalai bars. Okay, for this I have taken this particular mold. You can see the shape. It is nicely rounded over here, and from the bottom it is flat. For this I have taken some pistachio, I have taken some saffron, and I'll be using my white chocolate. In the white chocolate, I am putting some rasmalai essence, so you can put about 1 or 2 drops of the essence. The essence that I am using, I am putting the link in the description box, so please go ahead and see it. Just few drops are more than enough. You can see this is nothing but the essence that I have just put in. Mix it nicely. Mix it really well so that your essence emulsifies in the entire melted chocolate and you can use it in your cavities. So just take it and start spreading it like this. And we will start putting pistachios. They look really good with white chocolate. The more the merrier, it will look absolutely nice. What you can do is you can put some pistachios like this, so that when you actually unmold it, that also looks beautiful. Okay, so this is done. You can put 1 kesar or saffron. Which is the whole essence of ras malai thing. Now use remaining chocolate and spread it on this, and that's it. Just tap it once so that chocolate sets well. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and after that you can unmold them. Now let us make fruit and nut bars. For this I am using this Cadbury mold. Okay, I am using some raisins and almond. You can use roasted almond as well, and I am using dark chocolate. So again, there are two ways of doing this. You can either pour your chocolate in the mold like this, tap it really well so that air bubbles are removed, and start placing your almonds, raisins like this. You can make inclusion bars like this. Repeat the process for the third bar as well. We are going to make these special Rakhi bars. You can see how beautifully they have made these molds. You can see a brother and a sister, and nicely Happy Rakhi is also written on this particular mold. So we are going to use this mold, and we are also going to use this particular mold, which is very apt for this particular season. You can make flavored chocolates, you can make normal chocolates, and you can wrap it nicely, which I am going to show you today. So let us first make some nice chocolates out of this. So for this I am going to use normal chocolate. I am just going to pour some white chocolate in this. You can add dry fruits, you can add essences, you can add lot of things to make your own chocolate. Spread it evenly and then tap the mold. So one I have made this, another one I am going to use dark chocolate, so that we can see how the message comes out on both types of chocolate. As usual, just tap it gently, so if there are any air bubbles, they will be removed. That's it. This goes in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and we will work on another mold, which is this one. In this mold, you have a nice design at the back side of the cake, so you will get nice squares and a flower on the back side of the flower. So we will do some decoration or some flavor at the back side of this particular. And here I would like to give some marble effect, so I am going to put chocolate like this. So this is done. I am going to do pistachio cranberry bars over here. So just putting in my crushed pista, and I am also using some cranberries. So that also looks absolutely beautiful. And this goes in the refrigerator for setting for about 10 minutes. We will make use of this special alphabet molds. You can see these cavities, and you can make the chocolates accordingly, so that you can have those lettered chocolates, like happy birthday or happy Raksha Bandhan. So now the Raksha Bandhan festival is coming up. We can use these molds and make those chocolates, and we will also see the beautiful packaging for these kind of chocolates. So for this I am going to use butterscotch granules like this. You get this easily in the market. So the process is really simple. You just have to melt the chocolate. I am taking milk chocolate over here. Melt it nicely, pour it in the molds, start putting these granules on the top, butterscotch granules. They are easily available in the market. So let us see how to do it. So I need HAPPY. So P I will have to do twice. So these are called as butterscotch crunchy chocolates or butterscotch crunch chocolates, and they taste absolutely amazing. Tap it gently so that chocolate sets well. Ensure that all the chocolates, all the cavities are filled equally. And for each repeated letter in the message, you will have to do this process. So that's it. This goes in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and we will unmold these. As you can see, our chocolates are set really well. Okay, and if I just turn it like this, they are coming off from the mold immediately. Okay, you can see this lovely message, Happy Rakhi, written over here. This is also looking absolutely nice. You can see a brother and sister playing with each other. They are celebrating that beautiful Rakhi festival over here. So these are your chocolates. For wrapping these, we get this beautiful golden foil papers. So what you have to do is just put it like this and so the link of these foil papers, these molds and the boxes that we will be using is given in the description box. You can just start ordering them before the festival starts. Now you have to be really careful while you are wrapping these chocolates. The foil papers are very delicate, so you will have to be extremely careful. Just ensure that your chocolate is wrapped very nicely. And to make this thing more beautiful, what we have is these stickers. Even they look classy. They come off like our school labels and they make our chocolates more beautiful. Okay, so you can just take it and place it on the chocolate, and that's how lovely it looks. These two chocolates are very well set. If you can just turn it around and tap it gently, if the chocolate is really set well, it will come off like this, giving you beautiful shine on your chocolate. You can see at the back side also it looks lovely. Okay, this is the marble one that you had made, and the design also looks beautiful. Look at the shine that we have got on our chocolate. Let us pack them. Our fruit and nut chocolate is ready. Just tap them and they will come off easily. Okay, so these, one of them is the inclusion bar where you can see the dry fruits on top, and another one has all the dry fruits at the back. Both are fruit and nut bars only. Now let us wrap them nice so that it looks very presentable. I'm using this aluminum foil for wrapping my chocolate. Just measure it as per the size of your chocolate and cut out the extra part. So as you can see, the chocolates are wrapped really well inside our aluminum foil, and what you can use is, you can use these beautiful stickers for making them more special and apt for this particular occasion. So you can see the sticker is of this size. What you have to do is just ensure that the middle portion is stuck really well, and then just wrap it around. So from the back side also it is secured very well, and you can have this kind of Cadbury bar for your brother or for your sister. Let me take another one. Just ensure that it is centered really well. Press it and just wrap around. See how beautiful it looks? Really cute, right? I'll do one more. And peeling these stickers is absolutely easy, you know. gifting these chocolates would make the occasion all the more special for your brother or for your sister. So do make these and let me know in the comment box. I would love to see your creations. Thank you so much. Our rasmalai chocolates are also ready, nicely set in the refrigerator, and I am just turning them and gently tapping them so that they come off easily. Okay, one is already done. So this is one chocolate and this is another one. Okay, you can do it the way you want. If there is extra chocolate, you can just take it off to maintain the shape of the chocolate. Now you get such small aluminum foils also. What you have to do is just use them diagonally, or you can do it like this also. Diagonally works better. So just wrap them around like this. That is how they look. Absolutely gorgeous. So that is how it looks. Absolutely amazing, right? You can just place it in the boxes, or you can again use stickers on them so they look beautiful. You get such Rakhi stickers also, these kind of stickers, so you can stuck them like these. Let me show you how we can do that. Any extra portion you can always cut it off. So you can keep them like this, or you can place them like this using stickers. Chocolates for our Rakhi are ready. So I am just tap them gently and they will come off very nicely. Now let us see, or let us learn how to make these chocolate Rakhis, or edible Rakhis. What we are going to do for this is take this small square aluminum foils and start wrapping your Rakhi chocolates like this. You get lot of different colors in these aluminum foils, so you can use whichever you want. So like this we will wrap every other chocolate for making our edible Rakhi. Now these are done. In order to make them more cute or more beautiful, what we are going to do next is really important. I have a small little brother, and if you are going to make a Rakhi for him, then you can use these stickers, cartoon stickers like Superman or Minion or Hulk or Captain America, like that, or you can use another set of stickers which are really apt for this particular festival. So for some of the Rakhis I am going to use these stickers, and I am also going to make cute Rakhi as well. Rakhi with nice message. Looks really cute, right? Taking a selfie is a thing nowadays, right? So you can take a nice selfie with your brother or with your sister and make this event very, very memorable. You can remind each other of the beautiful time that you used to spend when you guys were small. This sticker looks like actual Rakhi, so you can place whichever sticker that you want on the chocolate, and let's now make them look like Rakhis. Now for making this look like an actual Rakhi, what we are going to do is, you get such ribbons in the market, so they come in different shapes and sizes as well. So what you can do is, you can select whichever color ribbon you want to use and keep it like this, place it on this, measure the size that you want to have for your Rakhi. So this much is enough. I am just cutting it over here. What you do next is, just place it on top. Use a cello tape. So that it is stuck well. See how beautiful it looks, isn't it? So you can tie it on your brother's wrist, and after the festival is over, he can eat it. So that's your edible Rakhi. Do this for all the other Rakhis that we have made, and like I said, you can select whichever color that you want for your band. So this is how it looks. Okay. So make these and make your Raksha Bandhan very, very special. Make something creative, make something innovative, and make your brother happy. How our butterscotch chocolates are doing. Just tap them, see how lovely it looks. So see how lovely this looks. Chocolates also, they look absolutely amazing. Okay, you can use these square aluminum foils for packing these. if you wrap it really well, you can actually see the letter behind it. Okay. For all the other shapes, after the chocolates are wrapped, you can use these beautiful Happy Rakhi stickers. You can actually take that letter and use it on the same alphabet chocolate, like this. See, this looks amazing, isn't it? You can put this in the boxes and you can make a beautiful hamper out of it. Also, for these square chocolates, we get these stickers also, so you can use them like this, or you can use such lovely, these are very lovely stickers that you can use. Let me just place one of these, so you can do it like this, or you can use these stickers as well. Now let's see how to make this box. Okay, so when you order these boxes, they come like this. They are of two different colors, so you get a pink box as well, or you get this blue box. So what you have to do is just fold these boxes on these lines that are given over here. Nicely fold it. After folding this, what you have to do is make one fold over here, and over these make the second fold. Okay, then fold it like this and fold it like that. So your one side is done. Let me show it to you again. What you have to do is use this and fold. So this is the first fold. Over here, do the second fold. Fold these flaps inside and fold these flaps over here. Now both the sides are done. What you have to do is just watch this thing very carefully. You have to hold it with your fingers. Just focus on one side first. And very gently just tuck it in, and your small side is also done. Let me show it to you again. So these two flaps, hold it like this. So hold these two flaps like this. You have been given two folds over here. Just use one of them and tuck everything in. You don't have to use any sellotapes or any stapler pins for making this box, and that's how amazing it looks. Okay, if your folds are correct, it won't come off and it will look nice. So those are your boxes. To fill the extra gap, you can use these shredded papers inside the box. Place all your chocolates on this. The cover of the box is also flat, so just open it like this, and there is one line, fold over here, fold on the other line also, and what you get is a nice cover. So after placing the chocolates, just close it like this and your box will be ready. Okay, in the similar way you can make the pink box. If the folds are really good, you will have no issues in making these boxes. See how to make these beautiful rectangle boxes. The boxes come like this, they are flat, okay, golden in shape. Fold them on the lines given, and it also comes with this particular cover and different set of trays which are to be placed inside the golden box. So let's start by making these. Cut these extra semicircles, we do not want them. Start folding the boxes on the lines that are given. Everything has to be folded really well. Now folding is little bit different from the boxes that we have folded earlier. You have to actually make a cavity like this. So what you will do is 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay, and that's it. Got it? Can you see over here? You can see the gap. Take this flap, take another flap. Before that you have to make it, you have to use the other side. So again just do it like this. So you have formed a nice bridge over here. Take these two flaps, and these you have to tuck these corners inside that gap which we did after removing the semicircle. So just tuck it in. The moment you tuck it in, the bottom portion will go inside like this. Okay, let me show you at the other side. Get the flaps inside, and these two corners will actually go over here. And your box is ready. This comes in flat, just use it. Use these lines to fold it like this the other side as well, like this. Insert the tray and by holding the strip at one side, you can close the box. Very easy, right? Folding of this box is exactly similar to how we folded the golden box. Okay, you can see that it is just that the length and height of this particular box is little bit more, so you can use it the similar way that we have done. Place your tray inside and use this cover to actually close your box. Now let's see how to make this box. Okay, you can place it like this, or so the box comes like this. You have to first fold the bottom part very nicely. We will have to use sellotape as well. If the gifts that you are going to put inside are more than the capacity of this box, it might come off from the bottom, so we will definitely use a sellotape for this particular box. So just put these two flaps inside, two flaps like this, and insert this one like this, so that the flaps are actually overlapping with each other. Okay, got it? So fold it like this, put this flap inside, the bigger one, then put these two flaps inside, and whatever gap is left out, just try to insert this, and you have got a nice base for your box. But to be extra careful, we will just put a sellotape so that it bears the weight of our gift. And over here you see this Y letter, just tuck it in like this and it will fold automatically. Over here also just tuck it in and it will fold automatically at the Y shape like this, giving you a nice pouch. Just close the box like this and your box is ready. So you can put it like this or you can make it stand like this. Any which ways, the pouch looks absolutely cool. Now we will see how to make this frock pouch or frock purse for gifting these things to a girl. For this you get a shape like this. Just remove these dots so that our ribbon can go from one hole to the other one. Fold the boxes at the lines given. then what you have to do is this portion and this portion, they will overlap with each other like this. Okay. Like this, which you will close with the help of sellotape. And the bottom portion, this will go inside, then this will go inside, and very gently just close it like this. Got it? To be extra careful, you can put one sellotape over here, or maybe you can put another sellotape from inside, but it is not required. We will just put one sellotape at the bottom just to secure it nicely, and one sellotape or maybe two sellotapes over here so that the box is secure from the sides as well. So one is enough if it is big one, or you can put one more. Okay, that's it. Now what we will do is, for closing these two flaps, after you have put in your chocolates, you can see these nice cuts that they have given on both these flaps. Just ensure that they are going on top of each other. And that's it, your frock is ready. Now to make it extra full with these boxes, they have given this ribbon also. Just take a small portion of the ribbon and pass them through this. One hole from the back side and second one from here. And let it go over here. Ensure that the front portion remains as crease free as possible. The back side you can actually tie a knot to finish the box. Okay, that is how it looks, and from the front that is how it looks. So now let us start filling our chocolates. Ready? Let's see how to pack them. Packing them is extremely important when it comes to making hampers for any festival. So before that, just have a look at these amazing chocolate bars that we have made, or these particular stickers. They look really cute. They really bring out that emotion, and you can literally see that lovely bond between a brother and a sister through these stickers. So please buy that. It looks absolutely amazing and cute, and yes, it is going to add lot of fun to your Rakhi festival. Okay, so let's get started, and let's start by packing these chocolates. So for packing, you get these beautiful boxes. They come with a tray like this, or they are called as inserts. So you can put these trays inside the box, and also for final packing you get these covers. So let's see what we can do over here. So over here I'll put this one square bar, and I will also use some of these cute message chocolates. Then I'll use some of these square ones, the little circle shaped ones, So you can actually show the difference, how you used to play with each other when you were small kids, and now that you all are grown up, how you are behaving. Okay, so let me pack these for you. So that's it, our box is ready. You can see how amazing it looks with all the messages and all your childhood memories. This box is going to be a lot of fun. So you can put this cover on top. If you have nice stickers, you can put your own branding over here, so that people will come to know whenever this particular box is gifted to their loved ones. So this is how it looks. Let's take another one, and it is absolutely cute. You are going to be very happy after seeing this particular box. So this comes in rectangular, this comes in rectangle size, and you have the tray which is like this. Again, you can put mix and match. I can put these Raksha Bandhan ones or any message ones. Whatever you want to say to your brother and sister, say it with a box. So this is how it looks, and let's just see the cover of this. Very cute. Okay, so it goes like this. If you can slide it, you can actually tie a Rakhi. So very cute to receive such a customized box. The chocolates are also handmade, and the box is also customized as per your requirement. This is one box. There are other boxes which come in two different colors, like this pink one and blue one. And what you can do is, you get these shredded papers. Again, they are available on the same website. You can buy that as per the color choice. Here I am going to make use of these Cadbury bars. You can place them like this. Then you can use the message bars on the sides. You can use a Rakhi, edible Rakhi, and that also you can place it inside this box, and that's it. Your another box is also ready. That's it. I'll show you some more boxes which look very cute. You can use this particular box for giving it to your sister, or this particular box for giving it to your brother. You can see the size and the length of this particular box. You can actually put in any gift that you have bought for your brother. Say for example, you have bought a watch, nice watch. You can place it inside this, and then you can place these Cadbury bars to say happy Raksha Bandhan to your brother. You can put this one also. So you can make a nice or you can place a Rakhi inside this, and you can courier that to your brother. Okay, it looks absolutely stunning. Very professional, right? A box that we will be making for Rakhi. Remember, we had made these nice sticker chocolates, so you can place them like this. So we will actually, we are going to actually say it with a message, happy Rakhi. And then you can wish them a happy Raksha Bandhan, or you can just use any image sticker to remind them of the beautiful time that you used to spend together, or you can put any other message, a golden gift by God is my brother, like that. Or you can just put another happy Raksha Bandhan message. So that is how it looks. Particular video If you have liked it, please do share it, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes in. So please make this